Here is how to approve a bill for payment in Xero. With Xero already open and your account signed in, begin from the top navigation menu, click Purchases to open the available purchasing options. From that drop-down menu, select Bills. This takes you to the Bills page where Xero organizes bills by their current status. On the Bills page, click the Awaiting Approval tab. This section shows bills that have been entered but not yet approved for payment. Scan the list and find the bill you want to approve. Take a moment here to make sure you are selecting the correct bill before opening it, especially if several entries have similar dates or amounts. Once you have located the right bill, go to the View column and click the eye icon. That opens the full bill record so you can check the details before approving it. On this screen, review the information shown for the bill, look over the supplier, the bill date, and the due date. Check the reference as well, along with the description entered for the bill. Then review the account, the tax rate, and the total amount. The goal here is to confirm that the bill is complete and accurate before you move it forward for payment. After you have reviewed those details, click Approve. Xero will update the bill status once the approval is applied. At this point, the bill moves out of the Awaiting Approval section and into Awaiting Payment. That status change indicates that the bill has been approved and is now ready for the payment stage. To confirm that the approval went through, return to the Bills page. If you are still viewing the bill itself, go back to the list of bills. Then click the Awaiting Payment tab. This tab shows bills that have already been approved but have not yet been paid. Look through the list and confirm that the bill you approved now appears there. You are checking for the same bill you reviewed a moment ago, now listed under Awaiting Payment instead of Awaiting Approval. If it appears in this tab, the approval has been completed successfully and the bill is ready to be paid when needed. This process is useful when you want to make sure a bill has been reviewed before it is included in your payment workflow. It also helps keep bill status clear so you can tell which bills still need approval and which ones are already ready for payment. Thanks for watching. The bill is now approved in Xero and listed under Awaiting Payment.